This delicious crispy fried chicken salad takes approximately 45 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people. Imagine tender, juicy chicken strips coated in a flavorful seasoned breading, perfectly fried to golden perfection, then nestled atop fresh, crunchy salad greens with juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumber slices, and vibrant carrot juliennes, all drizzled with a tangy dressing. It's a mouth-watering combination of crispy, savory, and fresh flavors that will impress your taste buds and wow your family and friends. Let's now check the ingredients. 2 chicken breasts, cut into strips. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 2 eggs. 1 cup breadcrumbs. Mixed salad greens. Cherry tomatoes. Cucumber slices. Carrot juliennes. Dressing of your choice, e.g., honey mustard or ranch. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by setting up your workstation with 3 bowls. 1 with flour mixed with paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 1 with beaten eggs, and the third with breadcrumbs. Dip the chicken strips first into the seasoned flour, ensuring they're well coated. Next, dip the floured chicken into the beaten eggs. Finally, coat the chicken strips in breadcrumbs, pressing lightly to adhere. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat until hot. Carefully fry the breaded chicken strips in the hot oil until golden brown and cooked through, about 4 to 5 minutes per batch. Remove the cooked chicken from the oil and drain on paper towels. Arrange the mixed salad greens on serving plates, adding cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, and carrot juliennes for color and texture. Top the salad with the crispy fried chicken strips. Drizzle with your favorite dressing and serve immediately. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.